Do you know how Naafiri is getting reworked? Basically, okay, what they are doing with Naafiri is they are trying to encourage the skilled playstyle of Naafiri more, which is you go around, you poke with your Q, you send your dogs, you recall them with your E, you send your dogs again with Q, and you slowly poke your enemies. And then when it's time to kill, you will have a point and click dash that deals like 500 fucking damage, and it cannot be blocked. Honestly, I like the rework a lot, but I gotta play it to see it. Also, her W gives her now untargetability. So you cannot be targeted anymore when you W. So isn't it like Xayah ult? Is it like Xayah ult or is it just like Senna E? Hello, Grabchan. No, that's not boring gameplay. Boring gameplay is just spamming W and aligning of cooldown. It's like Fizz E. So yeah, so you basically get a Fizz E. Which is really good. Because now you can outplay the fuck out of people. Because right now, you're like, you press W, Ari just aims a charm at the line, and dead. You're just dead. But now you can buffer your W with the charm, then ult in. It gives her much depth that is needed. It might actually make the champion really good. We'll see how it goes. Bifali, thank you. It won't get nerfed because of low elo, because they are making her way worse in low elo. Her point and click dash is now her ultimate, so low elos can just align off cooldown and get 20 kills. Not to mention her dash now resets on kill, so you can fucking dash 5 times and deal like an actual bomb, like actual nuke every time. Onigras, thank you. Vomit. Not bad. It only resets once? Oh. That's still fine. That's still really strong. She'll lose the vision though, which sucks. Blackjack when he has to play safe for a millisecond! Blackjack, why do you... We have double fruit for free. I can poke, go back and get it. Blackjack is like, what? I'm gonna go 2v1, bro. Like, man, please. Fucking Blackjack, go back on Ornn. The Forge God needs you, man. That's so us, wow. Where is Blitz written, bro? There isn't Blitz in the description of the stream. Fucking AIDS. Why is the cut so fast, by the way? Gamba Blade, Gamba Blade! Oh my god. I got it. Now we just have to win. In case you don't know, Naafiri dogs all apply Gambler's Blade. They all apply Gambler's Blade. It's time. Now we just need Blackjack not to carry us for one round. Duncan, thank you. Oh my god, look, gamblers. Holy shit! 3k from this round! Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, look my god, I have 6k! Oh my god, it's done.
For the thrill of combat, we spare no expense.
Nice. There is an AP Zeri, bro. She has ultimate refresh, but you can't use Zeri ult right after Zeri ult. Because of the fucking empower, she's stupid. Go, go. Oh my god. Din 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 din. God, God, God. Already have 4 items. Surely Yumi Velvet won't win by just them pressing E on me, right? Kappa.
Humans are back.
Holy shit, bro. Insane unskilled combo. We are not winning this game.
Let us show them our teeth. Little something to whet our teeth.
Gonna be fucking hard blackjack, not gonna lie. My augments are really bad. There isn't prismatic I would want. Maybe fucking the one that gives me, how's it called? How does this guy have 4 items? Oh, never mind. Everyone has already. Prowlers or Duskblade, yeah. Nice. Not bad. Get me GA honestly for now, so I can farm more.
Add some gold to the pot.
It's crazy, I was basically 6 item Naafiri and I couldn't one-shot a Jinx after she fucked up her E. We truly live in the Genshin Impact Traveler. Yeah, 6 items versus 3 items. Who wins, chat?
And now, welcome back, your reckoners! The world is full of stop!
Ding ding ding. I killed them too fast to farm them, but I cannot sell items anymore. Drututt, darling, did you saw my photo? Did you like it? Yeah, bro. Oh yeah, Mordekaiser! Do I go Morde to fuck the Yumi player? Nice.
Not his name. A vile specter of death haunts the reckoning pits.
TikTok Naafiri! Nah, this is so good, by the way. I need this. Oh, that's not TikTok. Dogs who can sing. Get them, dogs.
A skillful triumph.
Problem is this team. Both of those are a problem. Nice. Maybe I gamble for a better item. But honestly, I need all of those. Like, all of them are good. Fuck it, gamble. AD, good. Attack speed and might. This is max roll, give me. Give me lethality. Yeah, I need to be tankier. Put me versus Yumi, please! Nice! That's so cringe, by the way! Bye, losers. Fuck you! 200%. 8, okay, health. This is low roll, I don't wanna take it. 15 lethality. Hatchet? Oh my god, you're right. No, not war because I have good HP. Oh, this guy has 10k! War for the gold. Only 600? That's not much. Worth. Oh, we are versus. No, we are versus those guys! Oh my god, wait, this is really good. For my Hydra. I'm putting up for this. Put me versus Orianna, please! I won't maul her! Please, please, Orianna! Please, Orianna! Please, Orianna! Oh my god.
Team Scuttle won the round.
Swiftness shards. Wait, aren't those prismatics? Isn't Swiftness a prismatic one? Or am I stupid? No, it's not. What is Swiftness? No, it's attack speed. Oh. GG like the video. Holy high roll! Holy high roll! Besides the augments, the Shaco was 1v9. The Shaco was 1v9. The Shaco was so S+. I think this is the first time I've seen S+ on Arida, bro. Thank you, Shaco. Thank you, Shaco. I am your proudest student. Thank you, Shaco. We're VIPs.
What he's trying to do, but